Isa actually sa criticism ni Byung-Chul Han sa modern society ay yung tinatawag niyang disappearance ng authentic play, no? Nung ating society ngayon, yung tinatawag niyang achievement society. Sabi niya, focus na tayo masyado dun sa output, tapos self-improvement para maging better yung output, yung production, no? We have forgotten how to rest, sabi ni Byung-Chul Han. He asserts na yung true play, yung freedom to do something na walang purpose, walang practical use, it's dying because yung ating leisure activity nagiging dapat maging mas efficient. Yung sabi niya na yung homo laborens, the man, the human, the being that works, magiging lang siya kung siya rin ay homo ludens, no? The playing human, no? Kaso yung kapitalismo nga yan